I'm Phil Heimlich. We call this the radical middle. Okay, do you guys like the IRS? Well, I don't like them either. But I understand, I think you do too, that if we don't have an IRS, we have no money to run on other than what the government prints or borrows. Currently, there are 90,000 employees at the IRS. Were you aware the Trump administration is planning to cut half of them, to lay off 45,000 employees? I know that's politically popular, but it will be a disaster for our country's revenues. See, those of us who can't afford high priced tax accountants, we sometimes need to call the IRS customer service line to get questions about our returns answered. But with these cuts, there's not going to be anybody on the other end of the line. Tax experts, they say that the people who are really going to benefit from this aren't ordinary taxpayers. They're the wealthy tax dodgers. The guys who use company planes for private use and then write it off as a business expense. The scary thing is that when you cut a huge amount from the IRS, we bring in a lot less money. See, if they cut $35 billion from the IRS, that will cause us to lose $89 billion in collections. There's one former IRS commissioner who said if you lay off half the workforce, it will render the IRS dysfunctional. Okay, that's great for wealthy tax cheats, but those of us who actually pay our taxes are getting ripped off. I'm Phil Heimlich, and this is the Radical Middle.